everyone. This is Alexio Fernandez from Davao City. Guys, at this moment, I'm gonna take my dinner.
Faded wedding photograph when me and our first dance. Our eyes are closed, we're lost in one sweet embrace. Since those days the world has changed, but our love remains the same. God knows we've had our share of saving grace, and I'm proud of